Hi everyone, Ding Ding Kitchen here, back with another fire recipe. Today, we're making my special lemongrass chicken wings. Let's get started. Start with the marinade. You'll need 1 egg white, fish sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, black pepper, garlic powder, Shaoxing wine, oil, and cornstarch. Mix it well. Then add the chicken wings. Next, we can smash the lemongrass so that the flavor will come out. Now mix it all together. Really get in there. Place it into a box and refrigerate overnight. I know what you're thinking, you just can't wait to try. But trust me, these chicken wings need to marinate. So be patient and we'll come back tomorrow.
24 hours later.
Wow, time flies. It's already tomorrow, so let's start cooking. The drumettes are much thicker, so they take longer to cook. Deep fry for about 2 minutes, then rest for about 3 to 4 minutes. To save time, I cook the wings while resting the drumettes and alternate. Now, deep frying the chicken wings is highly optional. You can throw it in the oven or even use an air fryer. But trust me, when you deep fry it, the skin is going to be extra crispy and 10 times more awesome. Now we can deep fry again for another 3 minutes until it's fully cooked and golden. So juicy, so crispy, look at that. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to check out another recipe. Or if you didn't enjoy the video, maybe try this one here, please.